Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best mobility scooter for outdoors in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 8. Vive Mobility All-Terrain Knee Scooter Walker for Foot Injuries. The Vive All-Terrain Scooter for Foot Injuries is different from all the scooters on our list since it caters to people with knee and foot injuries, eliminating the need for crutches. This is a critical mention since one of the essential purposes of mobility scooters is an independent movement, which can be a challenge post-foot surgery or injury. The Vive Knee Scooter has a simple design, and with no batteries, there isn't much to understand about the controls other than to push the brakes as required. The scooter is equipped with 12-inch high-grade pneumatic tires, allowing for better shock absorption, thus, the all-terrain scooter label. There is a dual brake system to lock the tires when needed for added support. The steel frame is sturdy and foldable for easy transport. You can fold the scooter as is or take off the removable knee platform for an even compact unit. There is no battery power, so you need not charge the scooter. The absence of a battery also makes the unit comparatively cheaper than an electric wheelchair. While there is no cup holder or basket, the unit comes with a detachable bag to keep your belongings. Although the manufacturer claims the design is universal, one that would work for individuals between 4 feet 6 inches to 6 feet 6 inches, many users find it too high even though you can adjust the height of the knee platform and the handles. Number 7. Metro Folding Mobility Scooter for Adults with an overall weight of a little over 105 pounds. The Metro Folding Mobility Scooter is easy to disassemble and load in the trunk of an average-sized vehicle. The front bumper doubles as a pick-me-up handle for easy transport. It also comes with a tilt-adjustable Delta tiller, a wide seat, and armrests that you can customize for the user by selecting the correct width. The armrests also flip up to allow seating. So, comfort is definitely a priority. The unit has flat-free tires and rear suspension for a comfortable ride, including anti-tip technology to prevent turnovers. There is also a front basket, and even though it does not come with a rear basket, it does have a pouch at the back for added room to store valuables. The outdoor scooter has a standard driving range of 10 miles but can go up to 16 miles, depending on the user and type of terrain. Other cool features are the head and brake lights, which allow function after dark. However, despite the rear suspension, the 1.7-inch ground clearance does not make it an ideal vehicle for rougher surfaces or bumps. Thus, while the scooter can definitely be used outside, it is better suited for smoother surfaces. For more uneven terrains, a more heavy-duty mobility scooter would suffice. Number 6. Drive Medical Spitfire Scout 3 Compact Travel Scooter. When a tight turning radius is a chief requirement for a mobility scooter, there aren't many higher quality options than the Drive Medical Scout 3 mobility scooter. With all the features found in the best mobility scooters, this lightweight, high-weight capacity model, with a 45.5 turning radius, is a dream to drive in narrow spaces. For a 3-wheeled unit, the Scout 3 has an impressive 300-pound weight capacity and a driving range of 9 miles per charge, with an option to upgrade to a 20Ah battery for better mileage. For increased support and comfort, this mobility scooter also comes with a Delta tiller, flat-free, anti-tip wheels, cushioned 180 degrees swivel seating, with adjustable armrests that you can flip up, allowing easy onboarding. The tiller and the seat both can be adjusted for a comfortable ride. Moreover, the model has an extended footboard which is more manageable for taller riders to fit. The mobility scooter allows for a smooth ride on various terrains with 2.5-inch ground clearance and a top speed of 4.25 miles per hour. However, the 3-wheel design is inherently less stable than mobility scooters with dual wheels up front. Despite the anti-tip wheels, any sharp turns or slopes can cause it to topple. Many users find it difficult to move in particularly bumpy areas. Although, for the price and parts quality, it is one of the best mobility scooters for outdoors. Number 5. Vive 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter. One of the best mobility scooters with 3 wheels, the Vive 3-Wheel Scooter is essentially a repackaged version of its 4-wheel counterpart. With the same maximum weight capacity and top speed, 265 pounds, and 3, 7 mph, respectively. The two offerings from Vive Health only differ in the number of wheels and price, this model being the cheaper of the two. One advantage of the 3-wheel model is the increased legroom missing in the 4-wheel Vive scooter. The singular front wheel also allows for a tight turning radius, making it easy to maneuver in smaller spaces. However, what you gain in legroom, you lose in stability. Although it has scuff-free no-flat tires, the design makes it much more susceptible to tipping over on sharp turns. Even though the weight capacity is up to 265 pounds, the ground clearance is on the lower side, making it difficult for heavier individuals to drive up slopes and uneven terrain. The battery, however, lasts a long time, which is a huge plus. Other valuable features include LED headlights, a padded swivel seat, flip-up armrests, a horn, and a padded tiller. The unit is also lightweight for easy transportation. Various users also complain that the relatively simple controls often get stuck or the buttons come off with use. However, this mobility scooter is better off used on even surfaces outdoors for a smooth ride. Number 4. Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter. The number 1 on the best-selling list on Amazon in mobility scooter, the Vive 4-wheel model allows travel with an affordable price tag. With a maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds, this 4-wheel scooter has a driving range of 12.4 miles. However, it does have a comparatively low top speed of 3.7 miles per hour, while other 4-wheel scooters on our list of best mobility scooters offer over 4 mph with comparable unit cost. However, it does have comfortable seating and easy transportation. The Vive 4-wheel scooter has a padded adjustable swivel seat and armrest, which can flip upward to enable easy onboarding and exiting of the vehicle. Its LED headlights allow the vehicle to be used at nighttime. Moreover, the 4-part disassembly is quick, with the heaviest part only weighing 29 pounds. Although, for taller individuals, the legroom can be snug. One drawback of this unit is the minimal ground clearance, making it difficult to move on slopes and rougher terrains. Thus, if you need a scooter to primarily travel on gravel, high grass, or more irregular surfaces, this Vive Health offering may not perform well. However, its comfort and quick assembly are hard to beat for malls, grocery shopping, and relatively smoother outdoor areas. Number 3. Super Handy Passport 3-wheel folding mobility scooter. The Super Handy Passport 3-wheel folding scooter gets full marks on its transportability, thanks to its fully collapsible design, which weighs only 26 pounds. The lightweight scooter is super travel friendly, and its 31-inch tight turning radius makes it a breeze when moving through narrow spaces. The 3-wheel design also allows for more legroom, perfect for taller individuals. Although it only has a driving range of a little over 6.5 miles on a full charge, the unit comes with a backup battery you can easily swap for extra mileage. The flat-free tires provide enough traction to move about outside. It is equipped with drum brakes and has a maximum 275-pound weight capacity, but sharp turns at high speed can cause this compact scooter to topple. While it looks sleek and has good design elements like a cushioned seat with a backrest, a storage bag, and rest pegs, it is not nearly as comfortable, albeit much cheaper as some of its competitors, especially on rough terrain. Even though it has simple controls, this mobility scooter is unsuitable for people with severe mobility issues or older individuals. However, if transportability is your main deciding factor, it's hard to beat this folding design. Just ensure to use it on somewhat leveled grounds outdoors. Number 2. Pride Mobility S74 GoGo Sport 4-wheel electric mobility scooter. The Pride Mobility GoGo Sport 4-wheel is one of the best outdoor scooters within the affordable range. Consumers can use this unit, indoors and outdoors, with ease. Although, it can be a little challenging to maneuver in tight spaces due to a 50.5 turning radius. With a 325-pound weight capacity, the mobility scooter has an impressive driving range of 14 miles at full charge. However, users claim the battery performance is even better than mentioned. Additionally, you can change the battery on and off board. This Pride mobility unit has 4 non-scuffing, no-flat 9 wheels and an LED headlight to use after dark. The adjustable tiller has a quick-access charging port placed right next to the control panel. Unlike most scooters where you have to bend down to charge the battery, the wraparound handles on the Delta tiller provide extended support and allow one-hand operation, an added perk for users with arthritis or limited hand movement. However, despite having a 3 ground clearance at the controller, it only has a release of 1.5 at the motor, making it difficult to move on rough terrain. Moreover, its heaviest disassembled piece weighs about 44 pounds. This makes it difficult for some users to load it into the car trunk for transport. That said, its superior battery performance and easy-to-steer design make it an excellent outdoor scooter option for outdoors. Number 1. Drive Medical SFSCUT4 Spitfire Scout 4 Mobility Scooter. At just 94 pounds, the lightweight Drive Medical Scout 4 mobility scooter disassembles fairly quickly for easy transportation. Its tiller foldability makes it even simpler to fit in the car trunk. Apart from a responsive and adjustable Delta tiller that allows for a comfortable ride, the Scout 4-wheel has a cushy swivel seat with 3 height selections, which can spin to 180 degrees. While the padded armrests add support, they can fold up to allow space to occupy and evacuate the seat quickly. The scooter has a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds and comes with width-adjustable armrests to fully customize it to the user. This unit also had added security with electromagnetic brakes and anti-tip, no flat tires. Although one of the best mobility scooters in the price range, the Scout 4-wheel has a battery life of about 9 miles, with a top speed of 4.25 miles per hour. So, at maximum speed, you'll only be able to drive the outdoor scooter for a little over 2 hours until you have to fully charge the battery for 8 to 12 hours. Some users also find it hard to maneuver the scooter around tight spaces and climb inclined terrains. However, this affordable scooter's overall comfort and performance make it top-notch mobility equipment.